The truth is, when you don't have the data, you can't make smart decisions. You can't scale up ad campaigns, and you're running blind in your business. But that ends today with the all-new PulseView SamCart dashboard. This beautiful live feed into your business puts all of your most important data right at your fingertips. You now have access to 13 powerful reports, each helping you demystify how your business is performing day in and day out. The dashboard all centers around this beautiful new stacked view sales graph. Stacked view breaks out your daily profit by one-time orders and subscription charges, and even accounts for refunds. So you know what you made, you know what profits you kept, and you know exactly what offers are producing those sales. Next, you get the expansion revenue reports. Expansion revenue is what you get when you allow your customers to spend more with each and every order. Powered by features like order bumps, upgrades, one-click upsells, downsells, cross-sells, and more. If your current checkout flows don't focus on expansion revenue, your sales are half what they should be. Expansion revenue is the single biggest opportunity for you to double your profits. In fact, the SamCart database shows us that people who use these features make 2.5 times more on every order than people who sell one product at a time. These charts bring your expansion revenue front and center, so you know exactly what sort of extra profit you are capturing. If you want to get a real pulse on how your business is doing, focus on average order value and customer lifetime value. These are your best signal that your profits are growing. Armed with Checkout Anywhere, one-click checkout, and recommended products, you get to watch these two charts grow and grow and grow. And when these two charts are growing, so is your business. Plus, you'll have the freedom to test out new offers and prices, get a real sense of how much harder you could push on ad campaigns, and know which products are driving the most revenue. The brand new Top Products Report is here to show you exactly where your big wins are, so you can invest more time in your top sellers and cut the products that aren't working. There's peace of mind in knowing exactly where the juice is worth the squeeze, especially when you don't have a team of data analysts to help you run the numbers. Next, we have the subscription-based reports, like projected MRR, that tells you exactly how much recurring sales you're scheduled to collect every single month. So you can instantly see when it's time to schedule a new promotion, or when you can afford to slow down thanks to that stack of recurring revenue that you are building up. Track your total number of active subscriptions at a glance, and one click on that chart, and you have a full breakdown of each subscriber, what plan they're on, their next rebuild dates, and more. If your business depends on free trials, the trial conversion rate chart is your new best friend. Instantly identify trends so you can know exactly how that email follow-up campaign is working to close more trials into paying customers. So after today, you will know exactly what is working and what isn't. No more guesswork decisions. No more throwing your hands up in the air wondering why you aren't making as much as you should be. And when you compare the insights you'll have on the new PulseView dashboard to other platforms that give you incomplete data or just show you their latest blog posts, it's not even close. One powerful dashboard delivering your daily dose of clarity.